There, welcome back to Saving Made Easy, and boy am I excited to share some easy all-digital couponing deals with you this week. As always, these couponing deals are only valid this coming Saturday, April 9th, and with Dollar General's 5 off 25 promotion. If you're new to couponing, I recommend pausing this video and checking out our couponing playlist that is designed just for you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you love saving money with no paper coupons required, and let's get started. For this first transaction, start by picking up one of the Old Spice dry sprays. These are $5.50 and we have a $3 off digital coupon. Next, you're going to want to pick up one of the Secret Women's dry sprays for $6.50 and use the $3 off digital coupon on that as well. Also, you're going to want to pick up one Garnier shampoo and one Garnier conditioner. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both, and we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. And last but not least, pick up 2 of these Palmolives. Make sure you're getting the right size. And they are $5 a piece, so $10 for both, but we have a buy one, get one free digital coupon this week. Actually, I think they changed it to a 5 off, but it essentially means the same thing. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction should come to $28. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of those coupons are taken off is going to be just $9 plus tax. Be sure to check your account for this $3 off of 15 Easter coupon, which you can actually use on most food products. If you wanted to do a food deal and not wait for Saturday, this would be the way to do it. Keep in mind that you cannot combine a 3 off of 15 with a 5 off of 25 store coupon. Okay, we're going to change up that last deal slightly and maybe make it even a little bit better. We're going to start by picking up one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner in the dollar section for just $1 and use the 50-cent digital coupon on that, making it half price. Then we're going to pick up a bag of the Vicks Vapo Drops for $2 and use the $1 off coupon on that. And then you can pick up the same Garnier and shampoo and conditioner from the first transaction, $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we have that $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Also, you could grab 2 of those big Palmolive bottles for $5 a piece and use that $5 off digital coupon there. And last but not least, pick up a pack of the True Living toilet paper. This is the Dollar General brand for $8.95, and we have a $3 off digital coupon on that. And make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal is going to come to $27.95. But after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost on this second transaction for just $10.45 plus tax. And that's pretty good, toilet paper and everything. Some accounts will also have this $3 off of 15 cleaning product coupon, which you can use anytime throughout the week as well. Just use your Dollar General app to scan items to see which ones actually apply to this coupon. You can combine your 3 off of 15 with instant savings like this promotion from the weekly ad. Just remember to add an extra $3 onto your total, so spend $18 instead of spending $15. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get deal alerts and more. Okay, this last one's a food deal, and I feel like we've been getting a lot of good food deals lately. We're going to start by picking up a jar of the Jif Peanut Butter for $2.50 and use the 75-cent digital coupon on that. Also, if you haven't used the coupon for the Country Crock Butter, that's $2.65 yet, go ahead and use that. It's a 75-cent digital coupon. Also, you could grab one of the Lucky Charms or the Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal packs, and these are $3, but we have a $1.25 digital coupon on that as well. You could grab a Totino's Pizza Rolls for $2 and use the 75-cent digital there. Also, if you're buying peanut butter, you have to buy jam, so grab a squeeze bottle of the Smuckers for $2.95. We have a 75-cent digital coupon on that. The other option is the big jars. You can also grab one of the Honey Bunches of Oats cereal for $3 and use the $1 off digital coupon. Next, you can pick up a bottle of the Pearl Milling syrup as well as a box of the Pearl Milling pancake mix. These are $2.50 and $2.95, and that's going to be $5.45 total. You have $1 off of 2 Pearl Milling products digital coupon. You can also pick up 1 package of the Kool-Aid Jammers for $2.25, and we have this 50-cent digital coupon that works on these as well as Capri Suns. And last but not least, pick up 1 Chex Peanut Butter Chocolate Cereal for $3.25 and use the $1 off digital coupon on that. Your subtotal is going to come to $27.05. Make sure you have that 5 off 25 coupon clipped. And your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons come off is going to be just $14.30 plus tax. And that is a lot of food. One thing I wanted to mention also regarding food deals is that there is another offer for instant savings this week in the weekly ad. You can earn $3 off of 10 on Kellogg's products, and you have a lot of different options for that. If you wanted to, you could use the 3 off of 15 Easter digital coupon that I mentioned before and combine it with this promotion, or you could save this for your 5 off 25 deals on Saturday and add in some of these items mixed, that have coupons associated with them. However you use it, just make sure you have accounted for that extra $3 by spending an extra $3 on top of whatever amount you need to spend, be it 15 or 25, whatever. Don't forget that DG has lots of great Easter stuff to still stock up on, some of it as low as just $1. I got a couple of cute things in the last live video. If you haven't seen it yet, you should definitely check it out. That's it. Don't miss out on more awesome and easy to follow couponing deals. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bop the notification bell. Happy couponing, everybody.